Good morning, everyone. I accidentally deleted my video. Didn't even get to listen to it just because it's um, right when I was fixing to render. I clicked delete instead of render. So I apologize. I did have some lessons over there, or at least my methodology. So, anyways, so a couple of you guys started sending me emails about whether I should start a trading room or not. Right now, as you see, a lot of these trades are just part-time trading, and I'm not sure if I'm comfortable to start having trading room making calls, just because of the fact that I would feel bad if you were to lose your money because of me. So really, this is just to encourage someone that building your own strategy, trying to come up with your own method, how to do all of that is possible. I mean, especially for me, I'm just doing this part time, and does it take a lot of work? Yes, absolutely. It takes hours upon hours of number crunching for me to get things right. So that way, I can somewhat. I mean, at the end of the day, you're just proving to yourself that you could do this. Before you start risking your own capital. So, so if you're losing money now, I would suggest to go back and see where you are failing. At least that's what the importance of holding a journal to see all the faults that you're making, and a lot of it is really it boils down to psychology and discipline and your system itself. So all of those are different components into a recipe to your overall trading the trading mechanics. And all of those have to be mastered at some level. So anyways, okay, so as you can see, I did two contract trades, no, one contract or two contracts apiece. Today was just one of those days. You just any opportunity you can get, you sell it. So and I woke up this morning, actually, the S&P is down. Everything is down. Well, gold is not, and bonds, of course. But so let me just explain my first trade here. So this morning I got in and I said, okay, well, the whole S&P is selling pretty much. Selling pressure is still imminent. So and right now this thing, pricing at this level right here, that's a fresh new move for especially a Monday today. So uh, tomorrow I could expect it tomorrow. If today was harsh, is one of those move that it'll go $3 or something maybe. Right now current range is about $1.20, but I'm expecting those kinds of move just because like, let's see, let me find an example here, like something like this. You know what I mean, like it's just all day it's selling, and then it followed up the following day, it sells again. Same goes for this one. So I'm expecting this kind of level right here, and I think the reason why it's selling today is because I saw a news report that they're looking into cutting or extending the production cut. So that means supply is still high, and there's very little demand. So they have to bring the price down if that happens. And really, I'm waiting for this level right here, the level that I boxed up, because I think it's gonna test this level right here, $46. So in from there, I mean, you got $40. I think is your next run. So, but right now I'm not going that far of a projection. I'm just gonna leave it where it is at the moment. So today is one of those days that you could play the breakout and not worry about it, just because um, it's because there's no retracement. So I measured my risk, and then nothing really happened. So uh, so I was doing that. I was playing a breakout rule, and this one I was able to only capture, I think, what is that, 7 ticks, um, 7 ticks off of the trade just because I was trying to take it to 47, but I just got, I guess, impatient. So, anyways, right now it's gonna probably consolidate for a while until it finds a price. But this level right here is good. I think this level might be a good opportunity right here. But um, really, what you want is this one. Just looking at this level right here as well. Let's see, this one is not tested yet. So as you can see, that would give you a 5-to-1 risk ratio, or more than that. If the price ever retraces back, comes down, that's, I mean, intraday that is. So right now, yeah, I mean, right now everybody's kind of in a selling mood right now. So um, let's see. Let me pull the charts for the other indices. Okay, so hopefully I'm recording here. So as you can see, all these gray area box that I put in, you may want to go back to my other videos, and I said this could be a potential resistance. And sure enough, you know, um, the key is right here. It made a lower low and then a higher low. So that was a gimme that today is going to be selling today. And I think I've been tweeting, I tweeted about this, that saying that are we setting up for sell and may go away kind of deal. And I think that's already done. And I think I started being bearish around this level right here. I think I mentioned, hey, if you cannot close above this level right here, expect some selling. And sure enough, look at that. I think I need to start. I just don't have any data for the S&P right now, so that's why I'm not I'm not trading it. So otherwise, I would have. This one was a good risk reward right there, because really next, if you want to catch a falling knife, it's going to be around this level. I mean, right now there's nothing really holding that. I mean, besides this pivot right here at, what is that low? 23.1975. So 1975, around that area. So yeah, he'll get a momentary bounce, but other than that, that's pretty much it. Gold, or this is bonds. Bonds is next level. I think it's right here, 156.13, around this level right here. Just because you got all these uh, highs, and watch, this thing will just plow through that and maybe trade around this level. And the next level is, all the way up here. So I think that's the bottom. But just waiting for some kind of confirmation, and we'll see what happens. Let's see. So I covered the S&P because I know there's some of you guys trade the S&P. Gold right now, these are my levels. I think I had a level right here. It says to be caution. Right now, I think it's just gonna plow through that. Um, Really, your level right here now is 1310, and then there's another one at 1338, 1340. So just be, if you're long this contract, then these are the kind of the areas that you could potentially find some sellers. So just a cautionary thing. Anyways, I'm done for today. I think I'm gonna stop here. I uh, two in a row win. That's like one of those unicorn trade for me. So I normally don't get that, but anyways, today was a good week, or it's a good day to start, I guess. A good week to start. Okay, well, pretty much done here. Like I said, if you have any questions, just feel free to type them up. I can answer it as best way as I can. Right now, I don't have a trading room, and I don't know if I can manage the trading room going to work full time as well. But maybe in the future, once I start doing this full time, I'll start a trading room or something. But in the moment, really is just to share the community. My contribution to the community of just, this is possible. So Anyways, all right, well, enough talking. I'm babbling way too much here, so I'll see you guys on the next video. Do me a favor, click that thumbs up button if you're getting something out of my videos. It certainly helps me out. So until then, see you next time.